welcome back to Caden Weather. In today's video, we're talking about a rare April snowstorm coming for the Northeast later this week. Again, we'll be tracking you all the details on that. Again, just a rare, mostly for the northern part of the Northeast. So again, maybe the New York area, definitely Vermont, definitely New Hampshire, and hit or miss for Massachusetts. But I'll be giving you more details on exactly when and where coming up. Again, but right now I want to talk about flash flooding tonight. If you're watching this on the 13th of April 2021. In the south right now, more Louisiana, southern Louisiana, and maybe some of southern Mississippi, there is flash flooding with severe, not really severe, thunderstorms, but could be severe thunderstorms going through southern Louisiana. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch. So again, severe thunderstorm watch goes in effect for southern Louisiana until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So again, severe thunderstorms are possible until that time. Flash flood watches and warnings, this is a flash flood watch in effect going through extreme southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, and in almost the entire part of southern Louisiana. So again, lots of storms going through this area right here. Again, just giving you a little heads up, but this is not the point of the video. I just want to give you a quick update on this. But let's get into what everyone probably clicked on this video for. The rare snowstorm. But I want to point this out. This is not a high definition model. If we did use a more high definition model than this, we would not be able to see it at all because the future high definition models don't go this far into the future. But just want to give you a heads up. It's not the most detailed and definitely could change over time, but right now this is what we have with the rare snowstorm. So again, we're going into about Wednesday, so this will be later this week. Thursday, we see this low pressure system move into the northeast. Again, just a batch of heavy rain. No severe storms expected at this time, but again, lots of heavy rain or just maybe even light rain. Okay, heavy rain, maybe even just light rain. Probably just light rain, not even heavy rain. Moves into the northeast, so western New York, Vermont, kind of just a little bit of New Hampshire, western Massachusetts, eastern New York. Sorry, I got those mixed up. Western Massachusetts, eastern New York, seeing most of the heavy rain. Again, New York City included in the most heavy rain there. Again, not super heavy. Again, no snow right now. This is by Thursday. When we go into Friday, we start to see, this is about Friday in the morning, 6 a.m.-ish. Again, we're starting to see the most heavy snow. Again, this will be the most heavy snow, but it will not be in the biggest areas. Again, we're still looking at this. Some of the models say different, but this is the most accurate model, the European model, saying we're having these little snow bubbles starting to pop up here in southern Vermont. We're looking at extreme western, maybe not even extreme, but looks like right now it's extreme western Massachusetts. Again, just in a New York, it's scattered. So again, New York, we're having here. So let me just circle. These are all the snow bubbles right there. So again, that will be the most heavy snow. But again, see how I'm struggling to pick the areas because it's so isolated, such in a certain area. Again, but then when it gets lighter, it spreads out. So you can just say New Hampshire, Vermont, New York. See how easy it is to say that it's not in a certain area? That's because it's more widespread, but it's a lot lighter snow when it does that. So we're looking at still Friday. Now by noontime on Friday, we're starting to see snow. Very light snow, maybe heavy at some spots, but pretty much light snow spreading the area, almost the entire state of Vermont, most of western New Hampshire. But again, New Hampshire is very small, so that may change over time. Pretty detailed there. And again, most of eastern New York, as you can see on your screen right there. So again, let me just see here. So looks like Connecticut may or may not get in on the snow. So again, I'm hit or miss very much for Connecticut. Massachusetts, again, maybe seeing some snow, but again, hit or miss. Definitely Vermont will be seeing the snow most likely again. But again, it doesn't look like it's very heavy. But I don't want to spend too much time on this. Let's time this out. Actually, it gets a pretty much more heavier by Friday around dinner time. So again, a little bit more heavy. Again, some areas not seeing it, but again, New Hampshire, Vermont, you guys are going to be the biggest areas of snow. Again, we're seeing pretty light to moderate snow by Friday around dinner time for New Hampshire and Vermont. Some of eastern New York. But again, here's the snow. Let's time this out even further here. Again, it starts to move out. So this is going to be pretty quick. So again, I spent a lot of time talking on this, but look how quickly it really goes by. So the rain starts to come, snow bubbles, most heaviest snow, again, very isolated areas. The snow starts to get lighter, get more widespread, lighter snow but more widespread in more areas by Friday around noon, and then by Friday around dinner time it starts to get a little bit more heavier and moved into more of New Hampshire. Then it starts to fade away by Saturday, and it's out by Sunday. So that's it. Again, that was a lot of time I spent on talking about that, so I wanted to give you the latest details. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Get it if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. But if you have any weather questions, please comment that down below. Now, if you don't see me upload for a while, it is because it is school and we are having state testing, and also there's not a whole lot of weather going on. We have flash flooding and snow. A rare snowstorm. That's about it. So again, if I don't upload, there's not a whole lot of weather going on. Also, I'm in school. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please stay safe, stay weather aware. See you next video. Bye.